Should I schedule furnace maintenance before winter? Yes, scheduling maintenance before winter helps your furnace heat safely, use less energy, and avoid an inconvenient breakdown during freezing weather. A technician cleans important parts, checks the burner flame, tests the safety controls, and makes sure warm air can move through the home properly. They also inspect the heat exchanger, which is the part that keeps combustion gases separate from the air you breathe. A crack in that part can allow dangerous gases, including carbon monoxide, to enter the house, even when the furnace appears to work normally. The technician can check for warning signs that homeowners usually cannot see or smell. Replacing a dirty air filter is also important because a blocked filter makes the furnace work harder and can cause it to overheat. Ask the technician to explain the filter size, how often it should be changed, and whether the air ducts have serious blockages. It is smart to schedule the visit before the first major cold snap, because repair companies may become very busy when many furnaces fail at once. After the visit, keep the area around the furnace clear, test your carbon monoxide alarms, and write down the service date and any parts that may need attention later. One common mistake is waiting until the furnace stops working, so schedule service during mild weather instead of during an emergency. Another mistake is assuming a new furnace never needs checking, but yearly maintenance can still find airflow problems, loose wiring, and safety concerns, so follow the manufacturer's instructions. Some people also ignore a strange smell, weak airflow, unusual noise, or repeated shutdowns, so turn the system off and call a qualified technician when those signs appear. If you need help with the project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.